Hi guys, today we learn about how to fix if Snack Video app is not working, not opening on your Android phone. So let's start it. Open settings. Now click more settings. Open app manager. Here is the page that is all installed apps in my mobile. Now open Snack Video. Go to the permission and allow all the permissions. After that, just restart your mobile. After restarting your mobile, you can check Snack Video working is properly or not. If it is not working, then you click storage, click clear cache and clear data. After that, you again restart your mobile and check whether it is working. If it is not working, then the last solution is you uninstall the Snack Video app and go to the Play Store and reinstall the latest version of Snack Video app. So this is how you can solve your problem if Snack Video app is not working, not opening on your Android phone. Thanks for watching.